Let's talk about ICP, the greatest project of all time. It's sitting at $6.2 right now. And we have discussed ICP, I think, in as depth as possible. I actually have one of the most popular videos, and that is on ICP. You can go and watch that. Let's see when was the last time we talked about ICP, and let's continue our conversation from there. Meanwhile, you can tell me that how many years it's been, how many years we have invested in ICP, and are you planning on selling? January 27 was the last time I covered ICP, and at that time we talked about the support area of 7.6. 7.6 was the bear trend support area, so it is not even a bullish support. It's the support that we had in 2024 during bear market. That was the support. At that time it was sitting at $8.8. It had a resistance at 9, and that was our last hope because it had a bearish structure. Not able to live above $9 for more than 2 days. You have to assume that the downward journey has started, and you need to understand this is a big ass double top. This is on a daily. Delivering on this thing, once this bleed starts, you should be happy that if it bothers stopping at 7.6. The deliverance on this thing is crazy because it can actually push it down all the way towards $7 with ease without a problem. So as of today, we are, of course, it has gone down all the way towards 5.5, which is lower than the summer prices of 2024. ICP has not seen these prices last time when the 5th July and 5th of August the markets crashed. It didn't go this down, but this time we have created new lows because I mean that's what king making is all about, creating new lows as we continue to live. At this stage, things have not changed in a sense that we have a double top structure on weekly. This is extremely worrisome because it can easily send ICP to $2 and below. So let's hope it doesn't deliver on it. Let's not get bearish. Let's talk about the positive aspect. What can we do? That should be the question. At this stage, considering that the month of March is going to be green, we can start talking shit about ICP in summer. We can start talking about $2 and beyond. At this stage, I think the support area we can use is $5.6. It has a weird structure, 7.6, 5.6. As long as it holds 5.6, we can expect it to go towards 7.6 area, which was our support previously. We will be using 7.6 as our resistance, so 5.6 is the current support. And there is nothing else for me to add except that if it loses if it loses 5.6, $2 is the next support for ICP because it will start delivering on that horrible double top structure on weekly, and I would easily see ICP at $2. And nothing is impossible for ICP because ICP is one of these amazing projects out there that can easily go from targets from the prices of $400 and $90 to $2, and it can actually do worse than that as well. If you look at the initial price of ICP, it was 2,831, and later on it went to $2 in the summers of 2022. Let me see which time it was. It was 2022. No, it was 2023. 2023, it went down to $2.8, as you can see. So nothing is impossible for ICP. It can achieve all the targets that it wants, and going back to $2, $1 or 10 cents, all our options, but we will leave that for summer. Right now, what we can talk about is the bullish support. As long as 5.6 holds, I would be expecting ICP to go up towards 7.6. After 7.6, we can start talking about higher target areas like $10 and beyond. But for all this to happen, it needs to hold 5.6 and doesn't lose. If it doesn't lose this area, our journey is only upward. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions or I have touched on a topic and you expect me to explain a bit more, I'll try my best to explain that to you in the comments. Leave a comment, and I'm not going to tell you to like and subscribe, because if you're not interacting with the video, or if you're not subscribed, you're not going to see all the 10 videos that I make every day. You're going to miss out on it, and I think you are educated enough to understand what to subscribe and what not to, because if you want to miss out on it, then why not? It's for your own good, and you should know better what is good for you.